Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Sean Davidson, a certified dōTERRA essential oil specialist, and I love to teach simple ways to use essential oils at home so you can feel your best. In this video, we'll talk about 3 ways to use lemon essential oil. The last one will surprise you. These are my favorite ways to get lemon essential oil benefits, and you'll easily be able to do this at home too. Please subscribe to my channel, and at the end you can click the link in the description box and get my free download on the answers to common questions on essential oils. I'll start with the first way I use lemon oil every day. I put a drop of the oil in my water, together with a pinch of Himalayan salt. The reason I add the salt is that it contains trace elements that can help the body absorb the water. That's why sometimes when you find yourself still thirsty, even though you have been drinking a lot of water, the water hasn't been properly absorbed. The oil is not the same as the juice, as oils are actually absorbed into our cells because they can pass through the cell membrane walls. Water-based substances like lemon juice cannot pass through the cell walls. By infusing my health routine with detoxification drinks featuring amazing lemon oil, I can activate my body's natural detoxification pathways. If you're the type of person who loves to do a full body cleanse detox at home, then lemon oil is a great start in the morning. When you take it internally, lemon is good for digestive problem symptoms. Because of this, it can help with gastrointestinal symptoms and upper stomach pain when you take it every day. Secondly, lemon oil may be used to support the immune system, especially during times of illness or when trying to prevent infections. The lemon oil is cold pressed from the peel of the lemon fruit, and that's where the immunity system of the plant is held in order to ward off pests. So when we use the oil, it optimizes our innate immunity to help us fight those seasonal threats. So using lemon is how to boost your immune system quickly. In fact, it's one of the best immune system boosters out there. Lemon essential oil is so powerful. This use number 3, I bet you've never heard of. It can be used to clean off the sticky residue left from removing a stubborn label. So if lemon oil dissolves this sticky residue, imagine what it can do to the undigested food particles that are trapped in our bodies. It breaks them down to their tiniest constituents for easy elimination. Just remember that lemon, like most citrus oils, is photosensitive. So don't immediately go out in the sun with it on your skin. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to download my free guide to the answers to common questions on essential oils. It's in the description box below. See you next time.